Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Rina and everyone. Today we would like to present video assessment for the English course, which is about review meeting material 1 to 7 and create PowerPoint. Before that, we will each introduce ourselves. My name is Devina Amanda and my partner name is
Dela Maya Hafifah.
We student of the Diploma 3 Medical Record and Health Information Study Program, Department of Medical Record and Health Information, Kendal class. Now, let's watch the video.
Meetings 1. Medical English and Basic Medical Vocabulary. Definition of Medical English. Medical English is a specialist language used in healthcare to describe anatomical structure, disease, medical procedure, and treatments. It ensures clear communication among healthcare professionals. Coverage of Medical English. Medical English include fundamental medical terminology, anatomy vocabulary, medical abbreviation and acronyms, clinical communication language, and medical documentation system. Structure of medical terms. Medical terminology consists of 1. Word root, main meaning, or body organ, cardio, heart, gastro, stomach, osteo, bone, pulmono, lung. 2. Prefix, modifiers meaning hyper, excessive, hypo, deficient, patchy, fast, ready, slow, a strip or and without. 3. Suffix, condition or procedure. It is inflammation, ectomy, removal, petty, disease, oma, tumor. Core medical vocabulary. Condition: acute, sudden condition, chronic, long-term condition, benign, non-cancerous, malignant, cancerous, edema, swelling, lesion, tissue damage. Cardiovascular terms: hypertension, hypotension, myocardial infarction, thrombosis. Procedure: biopsy, surgery, vaccination, physical therapy. Common medical abbreviation: BP, blood pressure, HR, heart rate, DX, diagnosis, RX, treatment, ECG or EKG, heart, electrical test, NPO, noting by mouth, PRN, as needed, CC, safe, complaint, WNL, within normal limits, SOB, shortness of breath. Physical examination terms: GCS, CVS, PERRLA, CXR, heart sound, bowel sound. Medication and treatment terms: IV, intravenous, IM, intramuscular, SC, subcutaneous, OD or PED or TDS or QID. Medication frequency. Documentation guidelines. Medical records must include date and time, be legible, avoid correction fluid, use proper correction method. Anatomical position terms: anterior, meeting 2, workbook medicine or vocabulary development. Purpose: to improve understanding and usage of medical vocabulary talk exercise. Word building: student learn the relationship between medical words using word association, missing links, mind mapping, help vocabulary retention. Word formation: changing grammatical forms. Diagnosis, examine, examination, infection, improve sentence construction. Two-word medical expression. Examples: heart attack, biological clock, malignant tumor, surgical intervention, balanced diet, Use in clinical discussion. Plural, formation. Medical plural roles, diagnosis, diagnosis. Fungus, fungi. Atrium, atria. Larva, larvae. Important in documentation. Verb, noun, partnership. Example, administer drugs, analyze sample, prescribe antibiotics, use a pen, detect disease. Prevention clinical activities. Meeting 3. Workbook medicine or grammar application. Part of speech. Medical English use noun, adjective, verb, and adverb. Student learn correct grammatical placement. Active and passive voice. Passive voice widely used in healthcare. Example, doctor examined patient. Patient was examined. Verb tenses. Used to describe past illness, treatment history, examination finding, recovery progress. Phrasal verbs in medical context. Example, get over, recover, pass out, faint, look after, care for, give up, stop habit, bring up, cough, mucus. Preposition in medical sentence. Correct example, suffering from disease, inject into muscle, examined with microscope. Pronunciation focus on word stress, tense pronunciation, medical term clarity. Meeting 4. Passive voice in medical records. Medical record documentation include patient identification, medical history, progress note, diagnostic report, medication record, operative report, and discharge summary. Reason for passive voice, patient center focus, objective reporting, professional tone, concise documentation. Passive structure to be plus past participle. Example, patient was admitted, blood sample was taken, medication was administered. Application used in admission note, examination, procedures, follow-up reports.
Meeting 5. Compound and complex sentence. Clinical diagnosis. Diagnosis obtained talks, physical examination, laboratory testing, imaging, biopsy. Sentence components. Subject, predicate, clause, independent clause, complete idea, dependent clause, incomplete idea. Compound sentence. Use one voice for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Type of sentence. Simple, compound, complex, compound complex. Complex sentence. Use subordinating conjunction because, although, if, when, since, before, after, source, cause, condition, contract, time, relationship. Meeting 6. Medical phrase in complex sentence. Medical phrase concept. Medical documentation combines multiple clinical information into one sentence. Categories: diagnosis, hypertensi, COPD, diabetes. Symptoms: SOB, fatigue, edema. Treatment: for therapy, medication, oxygen therapy. Prosedur: CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, biopsi. Characteristic: use abbreviations, detailed but concise, show clinical cause and effect, include timeline information. Meeting 7. Short report writing. Purpose of medical report: provide accurate clinical information for clinicians, insurance, healthcare institution. Standard structures: 1. Administration data. 2. Clinical credentials. 3. Purpose of report. 4. Subjective findings. 5. Objective findings. 6. Diagnosis. 7. Management plan. 8. Prognosis. 9. certification. Report content contains patient complaints, medical history, investigation result, treatment profile, future management.
That is the end of video about review meeting materials 1 to 7 and with PowerPoint. Thank you very much for your attention and for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.